That's all for my husband boy.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Wallis. Next is kinayo na ito. Two. Cream silk. And the chippy. Miswa. And get the Vesco. And it's still the Vesco. Get malunggay. Malunggay, mahal. Okay, malunggay. And then that coconut gel. Okay, lagyan natin dito. Mas bigat. Next, But as far as I know, it's dalawa. Ayan. Dalawa siya. And this one is dalawang Oshi. And then there's another two. Oshi. Dog. Ginger juice. Hot dog. And then meron kaming 3 calendar rabbit. And then we have a tocino. And pork tocino. Okay. And then I think another one, tender juicy hot dog. And then we get chorizo. Chorizo. Cooked ay longganisa. Crabs. Kasubuhay. Yeah. Crabs. And then meron ako ng ito. Clumps. Tapos meron kaming shrimp. And then meron kaming Happy Fiesta Pinoy. It's boneless mockfish. Daing na bangus. Ayan. Sarap. Daing na bangus. So, dalawa siya na mahal. May isda. Ay, what's this? Tuyo. Dried. Yan. Dried hasa-hasa. Yan. Dried hasa-hasa. Mayroon pa akong galonggong na isda here. Ayan. Okay, meron pang isa. Yellow stripe. Isda. Then, meron tinola. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Siligang mix. Dalawa, tatlo. Then meron pang angels, cream cheese. Isa, dalawa. And then this one. It's ready. And then pansit. One masarap. It's sari-sari delights. Love. Sari-sari delights. We got Bakers Avenue. It's pandesal. Ubi cheese pandesal. See? Pandesal. Okay. And then I have dilis. Ayan, tapos dilis. Dalawa. Ayan, dilis. Okay. And next is barbecue. Ayan. Okay. Sarap.
Do you happen to remember
Wow.
when I asked the mail lady what her name was?
That's all for my husband, boy.